Let's run through the steps to start an LLC in Illinois. Step 1, name your LLC. When choosing a name for your LLC, keep in mind the following rules. The LLC name must end with LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company, all written out. Avoid names that might suggest your business is something it's not, like a government agency, bank, or insurance company without proper licensing. The same goes for words like corporation, Inc., or limited partnership. Your business is a limited liability company, not a partnership or a corporation. Most importantly, the name must be unique and not be used by another business in Illinois. To make sure there isn't a business in Illinois already using the name, search for the business name on this page on the Illinois Secretary of State's website. For example, you'll probably have difficulties naming your business Chipotle. For a full list of naming requirements, you'll find a link to this page down below. Step 2, select a registered agent. This is a person or business that will receive important legal documents and notices from the state on your behalf and forward them to you. This address will be listed publicly, so I wouldn't recommend being your own registered agent and using your home address as your registered agent's address. Your registered agent must keep normal business hours Monday to Friday, and you can't use a P.O. box. If you want to keep your address private, or if you don't want to have someone at a particular address Monday to Friday during business hours, we recommend hiring a registered agent service. On this channel, we've reviewed multiple registered agent services, and our favorite is Northwest Registered Agent. They charge $125 per year, but you can get the first year for free if they form your LLC, which costs $39 on top of the state fee. You'll find a link to Northwest's website in the description below. Step 3, submit articles of organization. File this document and pay the state fee of $150 to form your LLC. This document includes the company name, business address, registered agent information, the names and business addresses of the LLC members and managers, and more. You can file the articles of organization online, by mail, or in person. When paying online, you must pay with the card, and you'll be charged a processing fee of around $4. In the description, you'll find a link where you can file your articles of organization online, as well as a link to download Form LLC 5.5 to print it out, to mail it in, or to visit the Illinois Secretary of State in person. Normal processing time is around 10 business days. Step 4, obtain an employer identification number, EIN. This may also be referred to as a federal tax ID. Think of it as a social security number for your business. If you're the only owner of the LLC and won't have any employees, you could just use your social security number instead of an EIN, but in most cases, it's better to have one. You may need one for banking, taxes, and to hire employees. The application process is pretty straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes on the IRS's website. We have a video that will walk you through how to get one. The link's down below. Step 5, create an operating agreement. This document will state how your LLC will be managed. Illinois law doesn't require you to have one, but I recommend creating one even if you're the only member of your LLC. Banks may also ask for a copy of your operating agreement when you go to open a business bank account. If you have a complicated situation with many business partners or investors, you may want to work with a lawyer to draft the operating agreement. But in many cases, especially if it's just you, you can use one of Northwest Registered Agent's free operating agreement templates from this page, linked down below. Step 6, open a business bank account. This will allow you to better keep your personal assets and business assets completely separate. It will allow you to more easily manage your finances and will help you maintain the liability protection your LLC provides. We have this video that you'll find below that'll walk you through how to open an account. Step 7, file a beneficial ownership information report with the Treasury Department's FinCEN. This is something new in 2024. This report discloses information about the primary owners of the LLC. In 2024, you have 90 days after forming your LLC to submit this report. In 2025 and beyond, it must be submitted within 30 days of creating your LLC. To keep your LLC open and in good standing, Step 8, file an annual report with the Illinois Secretary of State and pay a fee of $75. This document keeps the state updated on any changes to the LLC's ownership and contact information. You can file your annual report online or by mail. The annual report is due before the first day of your business's anniversary month. If your LLC was formed on October 17th, your annual report is due by September 30th the following year. If your report is more than 60 days late, you have to pay a $100 late fee. If you're watching this video, I'm guessing this is the first time you're creating a business, and all these steps could sound overwhelming. The Secretary of State's website might not be the most user-friendly, and you could have questions along the way. Instead of going it on your own, as I just described, or potentially paying a lawyer thousands of dollars, I recommend working with a formation service to help you get your LLC set up correctly, and it'll only take a handful of minutes. Our favorite registered agent and formation service is Northwest Registered Agent. As I mentioned earlier, they'll help you form your LLC for $39 on top of the fee paid to the state. You also get their registered agent service for free for the first year and a free operating agreement template, something other formation services charge around $90 or $100 for. Now, I wanted to quickly show you how in just a matter of minutes, you can create your LLC with Northwest. If you use our affiliate link in the description, you'll come to a page that looks like this. By using a link in the description, we could earn a commission at no cost to you. If you like our content, it's a great way to support the channel. Click Get Started. Choose the type of business you'd like to start. We're forming an LLC, which has already been selected. Scroll down to select Illinois as the state to form your LLC. In the state of Illinois, standard LLC processing time is 14 days and costs $154. The state fee of $150 plus $4 for credit card processing. If you'd like it processed faster, you can update that here. Then down below, select if you'd like Northwest to file your beneficial ownership information report for an additional $25. Click Continue. Enter the name of your LLC. If you have an attorney and you'd like them to receive a copy of lawsuits and other legal notices, select Yes and enter their email. Otherwise, leave it as no. Write your business purpose, what your business will do, or choose to use a generic business purpose. Select which physical address and mailing address you'd like to record to the state. I'll leave both as my mailing address. Click Continue. How will your LLC be managed? Will it be member managed or manager managed? Will the members or owners manage the business, or will you elect a manager to run the day-to-day operations of the business? If at any point you have questions, you can click on the question icon to learn more. Also, if you have any further questions or need assistance, you'll see their phone number listed here. There's live chat in the bottom corner, or you can fill out this form on their contact page. Here I'll enter my name and use the mailing address for the business as the address to record with the state. If you have any additional LLC members, click Add Member, enter their information, and when you're done, click Continue. Enter your contact information on this screen. Name, phone number, and mail address. Then enter your email and create a password to set up your Northwest account. Here you can get a 90-day trial for their business identity package. This is a good point to mention. We have a training that'll walk you through everything you need to start your business, like a domain, logo, website, business email, business bank account, and more. If you'd like to access this free training, sign up using the link in the description. I'll turn off this free trial and I won't add any of the options on this page. One of the things I like about Northwest is that you can add anything you'd like individually. You aren't forced into purchasing an expensive package that includes a lot of things you don't need or want just to get the one thing you do want. Here, you can individually add a tax ID, S Corp election with the IRS, mailing services, or a trademark service. A few things I would consider: the tax ID. Northwest will get your EIN for you for $50 if you have a social security number. If you want to do it on your own, again, there's a video in the description that will show you how. But if you don't want to deal with the hassle and you're fine paying an extra $50, you can add that here. S Corp election. If you're just starting a business, you probably don't need this now, but one of the advantages of having an LLC is that later on you can decide to have your LLC taxed as an S Corp. This can help you save on taxes, but normally it doesn't make sense until after your business is earning somewhere in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 per year in profit. You'll find a video about S Corps in the description below. The other thing that you may want is a virtual office or mail forwarding. The main difference between the two is the virtual office also includes a phone number and costs $29 per month, and the mail forwarding is $20 a month. I'll add mail forwarding and have my mail scanned and sent to me digitally. Then the last step is to enter your payment information and click on Done. In just a handful of days, with the help of Northwest, you'll have your new LLC. If you'd like to have Northwest help creating your LLC and want to support this channel, don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to form your LLC. After your LLC has been created, the next thing you'll want is a business bank account. Learn how to open that account in this video up above, or in the video below. Learn the dozen things you need when starting a business. Hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.